welcome back. Although China's direct investment scheme in Hong Kong stocks has yet to be launched, mainlanders still have ways to invest in Hong Kong's market. As their interest in putting money into overseas markets continues to grow, global financial institutions are also trying to reach these investors. And Shenzhen is one of the battle zones. Yang Hongbin, who has an investment account with a Shenzhen securities firm, is checking the latest market news. He then goes downstairs to a futures trading firm where he has the use of a room especially for clients doing at least 2 million yuan worth of investments a month. Yang keeps a close eye on the futures market, both in China and overseas. He says that after 12 years of investing, he's finally making money.
When I first started investing, I had terrible experiences. I didn't lock in the profit when I made it. I thought it would be fine if I held on to the stocks, but they turned into losses. Now I'm gaining more and more understanding about market movements.
One of the hot topics on the mainland right now is when a stock index futures will be launched. Yang and his friends want to try the new investment tool. Recently, Yang's been participating in trial investment competitions organized by the Futures Trading Company to prepare people for the new investment.
Its value is not based on a commodity, but on a stock index. With more experience, we can get a better grasp of it.
There's been an overwhelming response to the new investment tool. In addition to the investment competitions, the firm's research department is also issuing regular educational reports to help increase investors' risk awareness.
Investors ask why they need a stop loss, even though the money in the account hasn't gone into negative territory yet. Many of them don't have the basic knowledge of the way the transactions work, but they understand after joining one or two competitions.
With growing wealth, mainlanders are looking for different investment vehicles, so the concept of wealth management is starting to catch on. Last month at the annual Shenzhen Finance Exposition, wealth management was one of the themes for the first time. Seminars were hosted by overseas investment strategists. The 800 yuan ticket didn't deter participants, including Yang.
I want to learn more about warrants in Hong Kong. Deutsche Bank, which deals in Hong Kong stock warrants, is having a seminar this afternoon. I think I'll go to it.
Yang says he has few investment options on the mainland. With the recent volatility in the A-share market, many mainland investors like him are looking to diversify their portfolios. He says his friends started buying Hong Kong stocks and warrants when they went to the SAR through the individual travel scheme.
Some of my friends have already gone into the warrant market in Hong Kong. They can trade over the internet. And a while ago, because of the huge difference in prices between H shares and A shares, they were willing to go to Hong Kong to buy the H shares of the same company because they were cheaper.
欧美的主要看他们有一些什么创新型的一些品种啊、平台啊，因为像什么马来西亚、越南啊那些，实际上比中国还要落后。
越南呢，我倒没有打算投，但我的朋友有打算投。主要是第一是越南也是现在股市也比较火爆嘛，想投一点进去看看。
现在目前主要就是内地市场，香港市场只有少一部分。因为呢，我们去香港投资呢，去办理证券账户啊，还有这些都不是很方便。
There are more than 100 million securities accounts on the mainland. How many of those account holders also have investments in overseas markets is hard to tell. But during this expo, overseas investment exhibitors attracted a lot of attention. And this mainland company, selling software that gives updates on the Hong Kong stock market, also proved popular.
We shouldn't
look just at H shares. Take HSBC for instance. Its share price movement and changes in the fundamentals, its profits and profit announcements should also be checked. There's a growing demand, so sales of this Hong Kong stock software product have been surging every month. Now we have millions of users using our software. You can also use it on mobile phones and check market news anywhere.
The company launched the instant stock quote system in the middle of last year. The annual rental is about 3,000 yuan. The company says mainlanders are used to monitoring the market and placing orders themselves over the internet. As their portfolios expand and get more complicated, their demand for information software will also increase.
Once they start investing in Hong Kong stocks, they'll expand. Some are interested in HSBC or other listed banks, and even some mid-priced company.
Andy is the chief operating officer of a Singapore data software company. Seeing an opportunity to tap into the mainland market, his company is not only an exhibitor here, but also one of the co-organizers. It helped arrange exhibitors and seminar hosts.
Just selling software products doesn't give us a chance to meet the management of other companies. After all, it's their decision on which company to deal with and buy from. If those managers understand our company better, that's good business for us.
The expo also featured overseas companies that aren't allowed yet to sell their products on the mainland, like this Hong Kong warrant issuer. Carrie Tang is a well-known warrant market analyst. She hosted 2 seminars about the Hong Kong warrant market at the expo. Her company is hoping to build its brand through education right now to enhance the company's profile among mainland investors.
They're willing to take the time and have the patience to understand each product. Many of them already know as much as Hong Kong investors. But still, most of them need more information and education. Coming to the exhibition, I clearly sense the mainland economy is booming. It's a good chance for us to introduce the Hong Kong market and these products to mainland investors.
This Hong Kong asset management firm participated in the Shenzhen Finance Expo a few years ago. This year, it conducted a survey of mainland investors and found keen interest among them in investing in Hong Kong. The average amount each correspondent was willing to invest was 110,000 Hong Kong dollars. Hong Kong stocks and mutual funds were what interested them the most.
It was estimated from the capital inflow from the major China city would be as much as $372 billion. I'm sure the food chain will be, if it can be implemented as early as possible, there will be a very positive effect on the investment market in Hong Kong.
Right now, mainland investors who want to buy Hong Kong stocks or overseas funds have to come to Hong Kong to open an account in person. Last month, Convoy moved into this 10,000 square foot office in Sheung Wan at $1 million a month in rent. While mainland accounts currently make up less than 1% of Convoy's revenue, the company believes there's unlimited room for growth in this area.
For the year 2008, we will try to establish some office in the major China city, and also they will have some better chance for them to better understanding, also familiar with the overseas market, the financial information.
In addition to opening financial consultancies, the company also plans to recruit more than 300 financial planners next year. Convoy has 5-day training courses to help recruits brush up on their communication skills.
I'm sure they could have a better relationship with their customer. We will try to let them have a much more fluent with the Putonghua.
Any comments, you can email us at moneymag@tvb.com.hk. And that's Money Magazine for this week. Thanks for watching. Good night.